What's up guys, I am back with another video. Today I am back with another video of a how-to video of how you can actually get Nintendo NT onto your Wii U and on the Wii U menu. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That will catch the like button, subscribe, that'll be super awesome. Let's get started. First thing, these are the major requirements that we need, that we're going to talk about. You need a micro SD card or just a regular SD card, a computer that can read SD cards, and obviously a Wii U. And now, so we'll go on my, now we're just going to go on my computer. I'll see right there. If I said computer, if I did not say computer, I said Wii U, my bad. Okay, so once on your computer, what you need to do is just put your SD card into your computer. Okay, let's get on with the computer. Okay, so once you got to your computer, you need to format it to get your SD card formatted FAT32. If your micro SD card or SD card doesn't have way format like FAT32, then if you're like me, I would go to the link in the description below. Go to GUI format. This will actually go and put on FAT32 if you don't have it. Have it on your have it on your SD card or micro SD card. Okay, you'll see it right here. Then actually choose where your SD card letter is. Mine is H, so I'm gonna click that, and then click on Quick Format, and just put whatever your size is. And click Start, and then click OK. Okay, so once that's done, click Close. Then once you got to that, what you need to do next is that you need to go back on your SD card. You'll see it right there. There's nothing in there, just blank. That means you're good. Now, I'll also put this in the description below. And you need to download these files right here. So I'm just going to extract these files. I'll be right back. Okay, so once you already got that done, just make sure when you have the Nintendo NT forwarder, you just put it in the install folder. Just make sure you put it into the install folder, and then once you got that, but you have to put also the save right here into the Wii U side. So make sure it has this has homebrew. If it has homebrew in the Wii U and apps, not that one I just messed up. Make sure it has homebrew, which I already checked. It has homebrew launcher right here, which you just need. And then once you got that, then you need to do next. Oh, a second. No. Okay, so once you got all those in, you can copy it to your SD card. And then it should calculate everything on the SD card. Okay, so once that's done, and then you're all done right there. And then you need to do next, you just go to make a new folder, and then call it games, all lowercase. And this is where you're going to actually put your games at. And then once you name that, go on there And this is where you need to make another new folder and then put your name of your game. I'm gonna put 2 folders, which is I have. It's called Super Mario Sunshine and Sonic Adventure 2 Battle. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so once you got that, then what you need to do next is that you need to go on your files that you want to put your games on. I go to where your ISO is at, and this has to be ISO. And plus this also requires homebrew. I just forgot it, my bad. This also has to be homebrewed. My bad, guys. And then once you got your Super Mario Sunshine ISO, then what you need to do next is just rename it to game. And this requires that. Obviously it won't work. And then once you got that, and then copy it to your SD card. And I'll be right back when it's done, and I'll do the other game, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once that's done, then actually that's all it. So you can actually just inject your SD card and it will go onto the Wii U. Okay guys, so once that's done, you can actually first you have to make sure your Wii U is off. You have to make sure your Wii U is off. And then put your SD card into your Wii U while it's turned off and turn on the power. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to change my input. I forgot how to do that. Okay, so let's go to the Wii U gamepad right now. So, once you got your Wii U gamepad, then actually we'll just wait for this. And then once you got to there, go to your internet browser. And then you have to go to your into your homebrew by going to your simple, go to loading.ovh and click submit on this setting right here and click submit. Sometimes it might do that, but actually if you keep on trying it will do it. Hey guys, if just in case you did not, if it was telling you that error is still doing it, then actually what you need to do is just get this from Jackson Well, and I'm going to put it in the description because I think you already know where it's at. You just need to take these files right in here and get the WAS folder in there too. And it only just in case if it still doesn't work. So I'm just telling you that if it doesn't work for you. Okay guys, so once you're into the homebrew channel, then what you need to do is just go to monitor CFW. The CFW means one second. CFW is actually means custom firmware. That means it's going to do it. Okay, so once you got that, then you need to do is go to the Wallpaper install GX2. If you don't have that, then just go to the homebrew launcher, or if you don't have that neither, or you just go to internet browser to do the whole thing again. And now it tells me to do the controller controls. I'm not going to show you that. And then it shows this. Your install folder, install nintendont folder. Just click on all those and click install. Sometimes it might not say on there. If it does, oh yeah, guys, it doesn't work on here. Anyways, you need to go to the nintendont folder, go to install, click install, click yes, and then click on AMD. I will already have that in there, so you'll probably know how to do it next. And then once you got with that, then actually what you need to do next is just click the home button and then go out all the way to the Wii menu. And then once you're done with that, and then you'll see that it's already there. So once you get to there, you'll see this. And then click on it, and then it'll say that this software supports the Wii U gamepad. Do you want to use it? Then click yes. And then boom, you got nintendont. And this is how you actually load up GameCube games. Sorry. If it does say that, you need to go back. Okay, so probably what I did wrong, sorry guys, is that I put the install folder in the install folder. So I'll put this right in there, in the real install folder. And then delete the install folder, my bad. Sorry guys. I am very sorry. Anyways, here's the real thing that should happen. And then this was supposed to be that you should be shown. My bad guys. You're supposed to get this and this, install, yes, and indeed. My bad guys, I did something wrong, I knew it. And then you should install the first one. Then you should install the second one. And plus it shows in 6 seconds that actually is going to install the next one. But it doesn't do it because I already installed it. Anyways, once you got to that, you can click the home button and close it out. But if you're using the homebrew browser, using the internet browser, just click, when you hit the homebrew, you'll go send back to the homebrew channel. Just click on it again and you'll go back. And this is what really should happen. You should get this. This is what really supposed to happen. If he says this software supports the Wii U gamepad, if you want to use it, and then you click yes. And then this is what really supposed to happen. Good job. Are you kidding me? Sorry guys, it keeps on happening. Okay, so sorry guys, it was a few other attempts. And then what if you're using a SD card, you might want to go to SD. If you're using a USB flash drive, you want to pick USB. I am using a SD card, so let's do that. If the game was not found. Now we got a relation on. We got to do that. Sorry guys, I forgot to put it in the game. Sorry. This is what really supposed to happen. As you can see here, there's actually right here. There's actually work. You go to game settings, go to grandparent emulation, go back, select your game, and then it should load. And then it will tell you this. What you need to do last is just, would you like to display as a scan mode? Click yes. And then boom, you got your game. And every time you want to actually do it, you go back and do it over and over again. You have to open up mod over here, your homebrew channel, and go to your matcha, and then you'll have your game all in. See how everything is working out fine. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like button, subscribe. That'd be super awesome. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.